You need to hear this if you're a nursing student. Unlock the secrets of hot sounds in just a minute. First up, the basics. Grab your stethoscope and find a quiet spot. Start by placing the diaphragm on the patient's chest. Listen for the low dub of a normal heartbeat. Got that? Great. Now, for murmurs. These are swooshing sounds between beats. Pay attention to the timing and location. For extra practice, use online simulators. Trust your ears and keep practicing. You've got this, future nurse. Subscribe for more quick nursing tips.